Can we redefine aging? Yes. Aging is no longer considered to be an inevitable process. Scientists now actually consider aging to be a disease. If it is a disease, then they feel they can not only diagnose it, but actually treat it. And that is the key to reversing the aging process. Let me explain something. The body doesn't need to age in the way that we allow it to. Our bodies actually have an inherent ability to heal way beyond our imaginations. Human growth hormone is actually one of the key master hormones throughout the whole of the body. It's a protein that's released from the pituitary gland, dictating growth patterns, differentiation, that's specialization of cells and organs, and repair. When you're first born, you need human growth hormone to grow and to develop. By the time you reach adolescence and adulthood, the major job has been done, and the level of human growth hormone begins to decline and steadily continues to decline until old age. Originally, scientists thought that after a person had grown to full adult size, human growth hormone was no longer needed. What they have discovered is if it is absent or very low, then the body ages prematurely. The reason a single hormone like human growth hormone can have such a far-reaching effect is the way it actually works. Let me explain. What happens is the human growth hormone is released by the pituitary gland mainly when you sleep, when you first go to sleep. It is also released in response to things like exercise and dietary factors, etc. After it's released, it's transported to the liver where it's converted into insulin-like growth factor 1. This is an intermediary which carries out the messages that the human growth hormone wants to transmit. Insulin-like growth factor 1 travels throughout the body and it signals each cell to make protein and to repair itself. It's called insulin-like growth factor 1 because it is literally like insulin. And similar to insulin, it sits on a receptor on the cell wall and transmits a message to the center of the cell, telling it to make protein and repair itself. A natural way of actually helping your own human growth hormone to be raised is to use what is called a secretagogue. Now, a secretagogue is a new breed of natural supplements that helps your body to release the human growth hormone that is locked up in the brain. As an animal ages, this mechanism breaks down and the problems of aging begin. Personally, I think this is a product that has a very wide appeal, it's very safe, but most of all, it's very effective.